Peppermint was used for medicinal purposes before being consumed as food. The benefits of this nutrient, which collects all the beneficial components of the soil, do not end with counting, and a new benefit is discovered every day. Astonishing the health world, mint can be included in many recipes in kitchens today. This nutrient, which provides incredible benefits to our body when consumed in the right amount and time, is good for almost all metabolic problems. What are the benefits of regular mint consumption? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free. Before moving on to the benefits, we are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of regular mint consumption? Homocysteine is an amino acid measured in the blood. When this substance is high in blood tissue, it strengthens blood vessels and paves the way for heart diseases. Vitamin B9 in peppermint neutralizes excess homocysteine and protects vascular tissue, while the antioxidants in its content help reduce the formation of plaque in the vessels. It takes very important responsibilities for a healthy heart. Antioxidant flavonoids, a plant compound found especially in the trunk, reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Minerals such as copper, potassium, iron, and phosphorus are very important for balancing blood pressure. In addition, mint is a very good source of fiber, which helps digest food. With its high dietary fiber content, it provides the nutrition of beneficial bacteria that are very important for intestinal health. Thanks to the plant compounds in the body part, it helps to neutralize the substance called Helicobacter pylori, which is one of the main causes of stomach problems such as gastritis. It protects the inner wall of the stomach and prevents acid imbalances. In addition, peppermint is very rich in minerals that have important functions such as balancing the amount of sugar in the blood. The blood sugar lowering effect of this food is due to the plant compounds it contains. When the fiber in it is consumed, it swells in the stomach and prolongs the digestion process. The high potassium and phosphorus it contains is very important for the prevention of diabetes. These substances are effective in breaking down proteins that cause glucose tolerance. In addition, with its contribution to blood sugar, it facilitates weight control when consumed with meals containing a high amount of healthier fiber that promotes fat loss. This prolongs satiety and prevents unnecessary calorie intake. At the same time, zinc and vitamin B6, which play a vital role in our mental health, are found in very rich amounts in mint. It is also rich in magnesium, which has important effects on nervous system activities. These compounds increase the effectiveness of electrical signals to the brain. They are also essential vitamins for the formation of myelin, which ensures the quality of the nervous system. On the other hand, consuming mint regularly is one of the easiest ways to get high amounts of preservative and antioxidants into our body. These compounds helps the body fight bacterial diseases by activating immune cells. So, is there any harm in such a beneficial food? First of all, although the fiber contained in mint has positive activities for the intestinal system, it can create some negative effects by occupying the digestive system more than necessary when consumed in large quantities. In addition, the world of alternative medicine is currently using foods such as mint, parsley, and rosemary to make medicine. Therefore, it has the potential to interact with some medications. If you take medications regularly, consult your doctor before adding such powerful herb to your diet. So, how much mint should be consumed? Consumption of mint at regular intervals is very important in the 4 seasons. In order to benefit from mint adequately, it must be consumed raw. Dried mint or peppermint that is exposed to heat loses its vitamin content. Therefore, raw consumption is the most beneficial form of consumption. Consuming a pinch of mint every day will increase your health levels. In the light of this information, you can add mint to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay safe, stay informed.